Setting markers. In Premiere Pro, we can set a clip marker. And a clip marker is marking a particular frame on the clip. So I'm going to go up and click in my source monitor. In the lower right hand corner, I have a button editor. I'm going to click on that. Now, I want to come in and find the button over here called Add Marker. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to say OK. You notice it added a marker in over here. Okay, so that's new to this row of tools down here. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to come over here and just scrub by, all right? And I'm going to position it right here and say, yep, that's where I want to be, right there. I can even hit the play button, set her like that. I can go back frame by frame by frame. When I get the exact spot I want to be, I'm going to hit the add marker. Okay, now you'll see it show up. Now, we need to make sure that it shows up. To do that, we want to go over here to settings. And in settings, it should be show markers should be checked on. So if that is, you'll see the marker right up here. All right. Now I'm going to just play this a little bit, and I'm going to put the windmills on an angle. Now I'm going to put another marker in. I'll add another marker. You'll see I have a second marker now. Okay. So now these markers are on there for key points that I want to know in my video clip. Now, if I move the cursor and hold down my left mouse button and I drag it down into my timeline and I drag it to my video 1, my V1, and I let go, I might get something that says clip mismatch warning. The clip does not match the sequence settings. Change the sequence to match the clip settings. And in this particular case, I can say keep the existing settings. All right. And boom, you can now see that I now have it on my timeline. And I'm going to make this just a little bit bigger here. And you can see my two marks are on the clip in the timeline as well. So I just set two markers. All right. I had to make the marker button show up. So I come over here and edit my button editors. So I add that button in, and I go up into my settings to make sure these markers show up here and here, and then they'll show up down here in green on the timeline. So we just added a marker in Premiere Pro.